In this episode, we will be initiating the build for the original series 50th anniversary 1/350 scale NCC1701 Enterprise, as well as the Polar Lights Refit 1701-A in the same scale. I've been researching and getting all of the supplemental paragraphics details and decals for this build. Although there is plenty of videos out there for these two ships, the idea is to add additional insight of going through all of the process and steps that I'll be taking for this build, along with a way to improve the models as I go along the way. I'll try to show as much of the process and share some of the modifications that I have planned for this build. Some of the modifications include the replacement motors, which will be 16,000 RPM micro full metal gearbox with a long shaft. I'll be adding reflective mirror glass pieces for the nacelles, also a wireless remote dimmer switch to control the speed of the motors for the nacelles, and I'll be getting all of the available paragraphics photo edge parts available out there. I'll be adding the Aztec masking kit and also be performing the 5-color paint job for one of the ships and a 3-color paint job for the other ship. Some of the paints I'll be using will be red, gold, blue, green iridescent paint. I'll also be building a custom built sound module for both ships. These are some of the parts that I already got. And today I just finished washing all of the parts with soap and water, hitting them with the first sanding. As you can see, there's a lot of imperfections on this model, some low spots from the mold. So I'm going to be cleaning and filling all of those things so that when I'm done with this and get it to primer, there should be no seams and no spots like these as you can see now. That'll do it for this episode. Stay tuned as more episodes will be coming throughout the rest of the year.